Hey guys, welcome to Rinehart Racing. My name is Aaron, and today we're going to show you how to put some mufflers on your Harley Davidson motorcycle. Today we're working on the 2020 Road Glide Special. Now whether you've got a twin cam or an M8, all the slip-ons go on the exact same way. The first step is going to be to take off your saddlebags. And if you don't know how to do that, pay attention because we're getting ready to show you. Alright guys, the next step is going to be pulling mufflers. We've got 2 bolts here and a clamp here. These are 1/2 inch and this is going to be a 15 millimeter. We'll put that in the description below if you forget what you're doing. Let's get these off. All right, some of these on stock headers can stick. You probably just need to push down, wiggle it a little bit, and the muffler will come off. You are going to want to keep this clamp for your Rinehart slip-ons. Now we'll repeat the steps on the left side of the bike. Next step, now that we've got our stock mufflers off, is to put our Rinehart slip-ons on. Once you open the box, there'll be a hardware kit with the nuts and bolts you need to put the Rineharts on your motorcycle. I'm gonna go ahead and lay these on the back of the lift so we'll have them where we need them. We're gonna pull out our muffler. This is a clamp we pulled off earlier. You want to orient the clamp to where the bolt is facing down when you install the muffler. Just slide it on the end of the muffler like that. Make sure when you put it on the head pipe that the muffler stays towards the end of the inlet. And we'll slide these on. When you're putting your muffler on, the goal is to align the back bracket in the center of the welded tabs on the Rinehart muffler. We're gonna take our 2 bolts, slide them into the slots, put our washers on here, and we're just gonna pick this up, line your bolts up with the holes, and start your nuts. Once your nuts are started, you're gonna wanna rotate the muffler, make sure it's in line with the bike, that your top bolt is centered, and then you can go ahead and snug these up. And we'll switch back to our 15 millimeter. Tighten your muffler clamp. You'll want to get this one pretty tight, because that's what's going to seal the inlet to the head pipe. After this is done, what we're going to do is just take and wipe this side down and repeat the process for the other side. It's the exact same process for the other side. Don't forget to line up your clamp so it's facing down, and then we're gonna put this left side muffler on. All right guys, you may notice that we do have our Rinehart Slimline duals on the bike, but the process is the exact same whether you have stock headers or our headers. If you got stock headers, I'd go get a set of these because they're pretty awesome. But everything else is exactly the same as far as install for slip-ons. Got our left side on. The very, very important next step is to reward yourself because you've got your mufflers on your bike. But for real, the next step is going to be putting your saddlebags back on, so we'll start that. All right, well that wraps up the install on the slip-ons. Now keep in mind, whether you've got Milwaukee 8, a twin cam, 3.5 inch, 4 inch, 4.5 inch, Moto Pros, DBXs, any of the touring slip-ons we make, the process is all the same. Now, all you got left to do is go out and ride and enjoy it. If you have any questions about this after watching the video, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out. We'll see you.